Shirley Hornbeck is 74 years young. She's a spunky little lady, but she has concerns about getting older.
I look in the mirror and say, help, help.
Which is why Shirley is getting her glow on. She's got big plans for New Year's Eve, and she's ready for Restylane Glow injections.
We're invited to a wonderful wedding in Naples, so I need this.
What we're doing is placing it all around the face to just get that radiant glow.
Larry Blevins calls it the pregnancy glow, that radiant look women get when their face is plump and hydrated. And to get the look, small microdeposits of Restylane are injected into the skin, restoring the hydrobalance of the face and improving its structure.
We're using just these little ultra fine needles so that we don't really have the bruising or the bleeding or the swelling. And we're just making small little deposits underneath the skin, and then we're just kind of massaging them into place and kind of spreading that hyaluronic acid or the Restylane around.
The results immediate and pretty much painless. The look pretty impressive. Compare the left side of Shirley's face to the right. The crepey lines under her right eye plumped up, and the marionette lines around her mouth much improved.
Wow. Yes, I see the difference.
Tiffany Tift, Fox 35 News.
Nip, tuck, snip, and pull. The traditional means of going under the knife for a more youthful look has changed.
Patients are just looking for something that's non-surgical, that they can do in office, return back to work, little to no discomfort.
Specialist Blevins says the answer is the liquid facelift. Check out Debbie Wyndham. She had it done for the first time.
Well, you can definitely tell the difference.
Check that out. Up close, you can see the treated side of Debbie's face on the left compared to the untreated side on the right.
And adding a little bit of volume in the cheeks, you can just see how adding that volume, we start to get that V shape back here, and then we add a little bit in the lips to try to get that nice upturn of the mouth as opposed to, where you start getting that downturn.
Experts say the liquid facelift takes about 35 minutes to pinpoint and treat 3 target areas with injections that ultimately restore volume, add volume, and relax certain muscles in your face.
We're using a combination of Dysport for relaxing the lines in the forehead and opening up the eyes. We're adding filler to volumize cheeks and lips, and then just trying to treat this, this pre-jowl sulcus where we start getting that squared off appearance.
Once the injections are in place, the ingredients are massaged in for what patients call the perfect blend.
It's a great alternative, I think, to surgery. It's very tolerable. It's just the little tingling sensations with the needles.
Patients don't want to look 30 or 20. They just want to look as good as they can for the age they are. They just want to take care of that just tired look.
The other benefit, depending on the type of liquid facelift you sign up for, the treatments can often last longer than your typical visit for Botox.
They last 1 to 2 up to 5 years. So it's just a great answer for patients who want to come in on their lunch break and just get a nice gentle lift and go back to work.
Talitha Vickers, Fox 35 News. The demand for Botox injections are growing.
We use it a lot in just sculpting of the face.
But now the muscle relaxer Botox is being used to treat a nagging pain.
We've got the new clearance for migraines, and that's going to be a tremendous help for a lot of our migraine sufferers.
Specialist Larry Blevins says Botox can ease migraine pain by 50% with injections in key locations.
For migraines, we will make injections basically across the forehead, where we'll do 5 to 6 injections across the forehead and just above the corrugator muscle here. The temporal area, we'll do 4 to 5 injections. Along the back of the neck, the back of the head, we'll make about 4 small injections where we're putting 1 to 2 units. And then down the neckline, we'll put about 6 small injections along the neckline to just relax those muscles.
It typically takes about 31 injections around your head and neck to get things rolling. So at what point should you try Botox for migraine relief?
More than 15 migraines or chronic migraines, and more than 15 a month.
Like most procedures, there are some side effects.
You might have a little bit of bruising along the treatment area, a little bit of soreness from the injection, even though it's a small needle.
But experts say that's a small price to pay to relieve a major headache. Talitha Vickers, Fox 35 News.